Millions of families in India are unable to access information that can help children grow up healthy, happy, and ready to learn. To get around the barriers that marginalize these families, Sesame Workshop India combines community radio and cell phones to make educational media an integral part of the community. This audacious children's project called Radiophone reaches 10 diverse communities with laughter and learning as Gully Gully Sim Sim characters talk about going to school, learning letters and numbers, and the importance of washing hands. Sesame Workshop India has also equipped the community radio stations with upgraded technologies that allow interactivity and enhance reach.
Television and radio, as you know, are typically just one-way broadcast mechanisms. We could actually think of creating that two-way engagement between the listeners and the radio station through mobile phones, where they can just call into the system and leave messages or discuss about their issues.
हम गली गली सिम सिम कार्यक्रम में सुनते हैं. हमारे पास ना तो कोई रेडियो आज एक टोल फ्री नंबर है हमारे पास, उससे ही हम मोबाइल पे सुनते हैं.
So this actually allows the information to go out to them without seriously impacting them financially in any way.
Additionally, ground events strengthen the interactivity between the program and communities. Ongoing research assesses the scale of impact using a participatory research methodology.
This initiative was extremely exciting because it's doing two things. The community researchers are able to analyze their own skills, they're able to assess their own capacities, they're able to assess what it is that they say to the community that brings about change.
Every broadcast of Gully Gully Sim Sim, every stream on demand, entertains as it engages children, caregivers and communities. And they are learning.
As a whole, if you look at it, this is an innovative exercise in bringing together several principles of participation at the content creation level, at the research level, at the impact assessment level, and the core principles are that of involving the communities in the analysis of their own development.
Measurable behavioral changes are being registered within a short span of the implementation of the Radiophone project. Shakila Village Badas in the backward district of Mewat attends school regularly now. Ikra has learnt the importance of growing plants and to be polite to elders. Usra brushes her teeth twice a day. Alia and Bushra wash their hands before eating. Communities are learning to manage time so that girls can go to school. And these are the changes that are unlocking possibilities for children and communities.